Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY Halloween edition. I'm so excited to be bringing you all this video. This is actually my first time doing a Dollar Tree DIY, so I hope you guys enjoy it. In this Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to be making a super festive Halloween wreath, a really cute ghost garland, and some really cool bat wall art. All of these DIYs combined came out to less than $15, which is extremely affordable, and they were all super easy to make. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below with what your favorite project was, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. Now, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the first DIY that we're making is a super festive fall wreath. I loved how this one came out, and I hope you guys liked it as well. The first thing we're gonna do is paint this wreath black. I just used this black Rust-Oleum spray paint. I also spray painted these glitter leaves that I found in the Christmas section of Dollar Tree, so be sure to look around at all of Dollar Tree to see what you can find. So I went ahead and spray painted both the wreath and all of these glitter leaves, and I did about 3 coats. So once you have spray painted your wreath and your leaves and they're both dry, you're gonna go ahead and assemble your wreath. The first thing I like to do is organize my leaves and flowers. That way I know exactly what I have. Once your flowers and your leaves are organized, it's time to assemble your wreath. I wanted the glitter leaves that I spray painted black to be the base of my wreath, so I went ahead and I tied them down using this floral wire that I got from Michael's. And then I went and I just played around and placed the flowers and the black leaves and the skulls just in whichever which way. I just eyeballed it really. I didn't have any inspo pictures to go off of. And this is how it turned out. I really liked how it came out. I think it's super sophisticated and a really pretty wreath for Halloween. So if you try this DIY, definitely make sure to share it with me on Instagram. I would love to see it. So the next DIY that we're doing is a bat wall art. It's super simple, and all you need is 2 pieces of poster board. So the first thing you need to do to make this DIY is to make your bat stencils. I just got this really thin piece of cardboard. You can also use cardstock for this. I folded it in half and then I drew out half of a bat. So once you have your stencils ready, you can use them to draw all of your bats on your black poster board. The amount of bats that you make is really up to you and how big you want your wall art to be. I did about 30 bats, but I didn't end up using all of them. And so once you finish cutting out all your bats, all you have to do is arrange them on your wall and you're done. It was super simple and easy, and this DIY came out to less than $2. So the last and final DIY is this super cute ghost garland. This one was extremely easy and only required 1 item, which is yarn. Maybe scissors too, but whatever, we won't count that. So these ghosts are basically just tassels that we put eyes on, essentially. So in order to make these tassels, you're gonna need a piece of cardboard or something hard to wrap your yarn around. I wrapped my yarn around this piece of cardboard about 50 times. And then I went ahead and cut off a small piece of yarn and just tied all of the yarns together. Once your yarn is tied, you can go ahead and cut off the bottom part. At this point, you're basically almost done making your ghost. You can leave it like this, or you can make a head for it. I just got a second piece of yarn and tied it around the whole tassel to make a head. So now you essentially have your ghost. You can go ahead and put some googly eyes if you have some. I didn't, so I just used this permanent marker, which turned out fine. I made about 10 of these ghost tassels. So once you've made all of your ghost tassels, it's time to attach them to the garland. I went ahead and spaced out my ghosts about 8 inches from each other and went ahead and double knotted them to the garland. And once you do that to all the ghosts, you're done. That's how you make a super cute and easy ghost garland. And that was my super simple and easy Dollar Tree DIY Halloween edition video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to share your projects with me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle up here, and I'll also leave it down in the description bar below. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below with what your favorite project was, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you on the next one. Bye.